This workout is designed to help reduce high cholesterol. So it's a 15-minute walking workout at home. All the moves are standing, it's low impact, and the first move's actually going to be part of our warm-up. So if you're ready to start taking control of your health, then let's get started. For move one, we're going to start off just doing a basic march. So all you need to do is follow along. There's our 15-minute countdown, and on the left, that represents approximately 30 seconds. So we're just going to keep marching on the spot, and every 30 seconds, we're going to change the moves. And all these moves are designed to help reduce high cholesterol. So let's just keep going because we're going to get the blood pumping, we're going to get fitter and stronger, we're taking control of your health. So just march nice and softly. So for your next move, remember you're just following along. We're just going to do this little hamstring curl, and then when you're ready, just add in those dynamic arms for me. Again, just 30 seconds, really simple exercises at home today that you can do. And this workout, you can do it even in your pajamas. It's about making exercise consistent. That's what we need to do for better health. Keeping that going. That's good. So for your next move, bring it back to just a basic march for me. So cholesterol is a fatty substance found in your blood, and your body actually needs some cholesterol to build healthy cells. It's like everything. If we have too much though, that can lead to heart problems and health problems. Let's just keep that going, keep those feet going. I always think it's really important as a trainer, the more knowledge you have about how your body works, and the easier it is to work with it. All right, that's good. So for your next move, this time now, you're just going to tap one foot back and just lift up both arms. So just tap one foot back and lift both arms up. Keep that powerful, nice and strong. So we're just tapping the foot back. That's good. And just lift through with the arms. Tap that foot behind. Nice, strong control. Again, just 30 seconds. And let's just bring it now back just to that fast march. So we're just walking at home. So there are two types of cholesterol. We've got the LDL. Think of that as the bad cholesterol. That's what builds up in the walls of your arteries, making them narrow and harder for blood to flow through. Then you have the HDL. Now that's the good cholesterol. This helps remove excess cholesterol from your arteries, keeping them clear. And when we exercise, we help increase the HDL. All right, so for your next move, this time now, just give me a heel tap. So we're just bending through the knee and just take that hand behind. So really nice move here. And exercise, as your trainer, I want to make it fun for you so you can do it every single day. Think of this workout, it's like medicine. If we can, we always want to try and look after our body by eating the right foods and moving every day. And well done. All right, let's bring it straight back now to that fast little march, and you can see the time is flying by. Always make sure you land nice and softly, and if you have got enough room at home, you can always walk up and down, so really make it into a nice indoor walking workout. Keep those feet moving, upper body is staying nice and tall, and again 30 seconds each move, doing really well. So for the next move, this time now, we're just going to do this little side step. So just do a side step, arms in front, palms face down, and just pull those arms back. So here's a tip to lower your high cholesterol. Consume less fatty foods, especially ones high in saturated fats, to help lower your cholesterol. And nutrition is so key for better health. All right, that's good. Just keeping that going. So for your next move, just bring that straight back now, just to that power march for me. Keep that upper body nice and straight. And also here, let's focus on eating more oily fish like mackerel, salmon. Also focus on whole grains, nuts, seeds, fruits and vegetables. These will all help to lower that bad cholesterol. So this is about taking control of our health. Keep That nice and focused. So let's have a look at your next move. This time, just tap one foot slightly behind the other and then just swing the arms. So stop smoking. Smoking can raise your cholesterol, make you more likely to have serious health problems. So if you are a smoker, just stop. Remember, you have the power to do it. Your mind is incredible. It's about taking control of your health. All right, so just swing those arms across, tap that foot behind, doing really well. And let's bring that straight back now, back to that power march. Remember, land nice and softly. If you do have the room, then do walk around the room. We're doing this one for 30 seconds. And this is just going to really help increase your blood circulation. So we're getting fitter and stronger each move that we make. That's good. All right, well done. So for this move, we're just going to go for doing a side step, side to side, and then just push those arms up. And also reduce alcohol intake to take less than 14 units a week, include drink-free days, and even why not try it for a week? And a great drink that I love to have is simply just have tonic water with ice and lime. So delicious. All right, that's good. So side step. You got Princess Sultana checking your technique there, taking those arms up. All right, so next one, bring that straight back now to a really fast march on the spot for me. Let's just keep going and remember why you and I are doing this right now. 15 minutes at home just to take control of your health. And also, let's be honest, exercise makes us feel so good. It boosts our energy. So let's just keep going. All the way to the top, doing those 30 seconds each move. So for this one, all I want you to do is just tap that foot in front and now just lift both arms. She's checking the technique here, Princess Sultana. She's obviously going to get involved in this move, so let's just keep that going. So straight arms, lifting them up. And these dynamic exercises are really helping why we're here today. And the great thing is with exercise, what we're doing, and I'm going to explain in a second, let's just keep that going, bring it back to a march, is what we're doing is we're increasing the good cholesterol, which is going to help to then lower the bad cholesterol. And also it's really important, incorporate exercise into your daily routine. Just keep your body moving. So your good cholesterol is like a taxi and it goes around the arteries, think of those as the roads, and picks up that bad cholesterol and takes it to the liver where it gets detoxified. This is why it's so important we keep moving. So this time now, tap your foot out and just reach your arm across. So walking is great. And if you enjoy these walking workouts, I've got my walking at home in different cities. I'll leave a playlist in the description down below. These are all free, so you can walk in Venice, Paris, London. It's just about making movement fun at home. Okay, reach your arm over, tapping that foot out, just following along. So we are well over halfway today. This is going to fly by now. Let's just take that back to that fast march. Keep that upper body nice and straight. And also key is healthy eating. I've got lots of different healthy eating blogs. I've got all my healthy eating recipe ebooks. I'll leave all the details in the description down below. Just keep that going, keep those feet moving. Doing really well. So for your next move, this time now, tap the foot behind and just what we're going to do is just take the hand in front. So just imagine you're giving someone a high five. Tap that foot behind and just reach out with the arms. So all these moves that we're doing here, these are full body moves. So we're working multiple muscle groups, keeping those muscles strong. And this is also great for your bone health and joint health as well. So bring that straight back, fast little power march. And again, if you've got the room, just walk from one end of the room to the other for these 30 seconds, keeping that going. And do subscribe to my channel because it's more than just your free workouts. I also do updates on my Lucy Squad community where I put free challenges, recipes, motivation. All right, that's good. So just keep that going. marching that out. So for your next move, all I want you to do is just tap one foot out to the side and just give me that gentle punch. And so what you've been doing today, we've been doing this 15-minute non-stop exercise at home. So we've not had any rest period. This is how you're getting fitter and stronger. It's a really lovely low impact cardio workout. Keeping that nice control, give me power through each of those punches. So we've got less than 5 minutes to go, doing really well. So bring it straight back now, back to that power march. Keep those feet moving. Nice and strong, land nice and softly with those feet. Keep that upper body nice and straight. And if you are on Facebook, definitely come and find me, Lucy's Squad. We've got a lovely community and page on there. All right, that's good. Keeping that nice and powerful. Tapping through those feet. So for your next move, this time now, tap one foot behind, and then you've got your elbows lifted up, just add in these just little elbow extensions. So this one here also is amazing for the back of the upper arms, powerful move. And just think, remember what we're doing here, we're just helping to balance out that cholesterol. We want to reduce the bad cholesterol, the LDL, but increase the HDL, the good cholesterol. And bring it straight back now, back to that march, a power march. And you can march that nice and fast, do that little power walk. Keeping that focused, land softly. And as I said, I've got so many of these walking workouts. Also on my channel, I've got lots of low impact cardio workouts. Keeping that focus, doing really well. So for your next move, this time now, just simply give me a knee lift. So this one here is great for really working through your core, through your midsection, and she's back again. All right, that's good. Keep that upper body tall for me. Draw the knee up. Keeping that nice and strong. Land softly. Nearly finished that. You can see with that indicator on the left, telling you how long for each exercise. So bring it back now, back to that fast power march. Just think what you've done today. You've made your heart stronger, your bones stronger. You've taken control of your health, and you've got a very impressed Princess Sultana here. Look at her with her little paw. She's joining in with doing our steps. All right, that's good. She's watching, she's counting. You see, she motivates, is helping motivate me. All right, and for your next move, this time now, we're just going to go for doing a just gentle little kick. So we're just kicking that leg in front. She's watching. And let's just keep going. If you can, add in an arm. So we're just straightening out one arm. Give me that little kick. Let's have some fun. We've nearly finished today. Let's just keep going. She's watching. She's telling us we've got to keep doing this with good form. And well done. All right, let's just bring it back to a fast power march now. Marching as fast as you can. We're going to have to march with the princess. So let's keep that going. Just march on the spot, walk around the room. There you are, Princess Sultana's just checking you're doing it properly. And let's just keep going all the way. And then for our next move, we're going to come back up. And then this time now, all I want you to do is just go for doing that little side step and just push both arms directly up. So just side step. Both arms coming up, doing that lateral move, getting that heart really pumping because we're taking the arms above heart level. Last little bit, keeping that going. And definitely if you've enjoyed this, please share it. If it's on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, you can share it on YouTube because it's really lovely to teach people for free how we can all take control of our health at home. All right, that's good. Keeping that going, keep marching. We're going to keep going until we've completed our 15 minutes. So for our final move, what we're going to do for this, we're just going to go for doing this side step, but we're going to pull down as if we're pulling down something. So it's a little squat and then pull down those arms. And what I want you to think is you are lowering that high cholesterol. So we're getting rid of the bad stuff and increasing the good stuff. That's good. Side step and just give me that little bend, nice powerful arms and bending through, step and then give me that bend, and well done. So that is now your 15-minute workout to lower cholesterol complete, all done with myself and your other trainer, Princess Sultana. So well done, and there is your high five. And remember, what you've just done now is just taken control of your health. So if you want to do any 5-minute toning, I've got toning mobility, there's a long playlist. Do have a little scroll through there. If you're finished for today, click here or in the description down below for my full cool down stretch. And well done, and I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.